Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a penguin surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our penguin surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, giving it another nice fold. Now, when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for that fun surprise. Now, to start off with this, let's begin by making the top of our penguin. So I'm just going to begin here, and I'm just going to make a little curve that's just going to kind of come up and then back down to here. Next, I'm just going to make a larger curve down here, and we're just going to bring this back up and kind of line it up best you can to there. Let's make a little bump at the bottom on each side for some feet. I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and in for the wing. And we'll do the same thing here, out and in for the wing or the flipper, whatever you want to call it. Next, right here, let's go ahead and make like a little sad face across with a little line that's just going to kind of go down and up. And then we can make a little line that's going to go down and up here. We'll make two little sad faces for eyes. Then right here, I'm going to bring this line up and then down. We'll do that same thing here. Bring this up and then down. I'm going to curve this line around and bring it up to here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have two halves of our penguin. So let's start down here. Let's begin with this one. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of curve up and down like this. Then I'm going to make the eyes. So I'm just going to make a little dot here and a little dot here. We'll make that sad face for the top of the beak, and then just a little line that's going to go up and down. I want to make a little curve here at the little line so it looks like it's sticking out its tongue. Then we're going to make a little curve here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and down to here. And then same thing here. We're going to bring this line up and down. I'm going to make it look like it's wearing some earmuffs. So I'm going to make a couple little bumps here and a few little bumps here. And then I'm just going to make a line across the top for some earmuffs. Over here, let's make another little penguin. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve around here. I'm going to bring this line down and this line down here. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve around like this. I want to make a line here and then a line here. I want to make that little beak shape like this. And I'm going to do a dot here and a dot here. Then I'm going to do a little string line here and a little string here, so it looks like he's kind of wearing a hoodie. Then I'm going to make a line that curves down here and a line that curves down here. Then we're going to make a little wiggly line here, a we'll do a line here and a line here for like some detail. Next, over here, I'm gonna make it look like this penguin is fishing. So I'm going to begin by making a curve shape like this for the head. Then right here, I'm gonna make a line that's gonna curve out and then in. I'm gonna bring this line down and this line down. I'm gonna make a line that's gonna come out and then in, and a little one here. I'm gonna do a little dot right here for the eye. Then I'm gonna bring this line around to here. Then we're gonna bring this line down for the belly. I'm gonna draw a little line that's gonna come up and then down, and we're gonna make a little bump there. I'll make a little line here. We'll make a little oval shape, but we'll leave the bottom open. And we'll do 2 little bumps for the tail. Let's draw another penguin up here. So right here, I'm going to make a circle for the head. Then right here, I'm gonna make it look like this penguin is holding a camera. So I'm gonna make a line that's gonna come over. I'm gonna go down and then back over here. And then a line down here. I'm gonna make a line that's gonna come over. I'm gonna bring it around and then back up here. We'll make a line across for the bottom of the camera and a little square on top. I'm gonna make a large circle for the lens and then another circle in here. And we'll do a little square shape there. Next, I'm gonna make that little oval shape for the beak. I'm gonna make a line that's gonna go in and out, and then a little dot here for the eye. I'm gonna bring this line down. Let's curve this line up and down here, and then we'll curve this one up and down. Then we'll draw a little line that's gonna curve to here, and then right to here. Next, for this penguin on top, I'm gonna bring this line in and this line in. I'm also gonna bring this line in and this line in. I'm gonna make a little bump here so it looks like it's resting its little flipper on top of this penguin's head. Then I'm gonna bring this line out and then in and bring it down so it looks like it's waving. We'll also curve this line down. And we do a couple little lines on here so it looks like it's waving. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cute little penguin surprise fold. When we have it all folded up, we have our little penguin right there. And then when we open it, it turns into a bunch of other little penguins. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.